Now joining us is Mark Avera. Hi, Mark. We're hearing a lot in the media about annuities and payouts, and just what does that mean?
Yeah, on television, companies are offering to purchase annuities from people who have gone into one because of a personal injury settlement or workers' compensation settlement. An annuity is just a payment plan where your settlement proceeds are placed with a life insurance company, and they guarantee to pay you a certain amount monthly, quarterly, or perhaps in lump sums over a period of time, or perhaps for as long as you live. These companies come in and they offer to purchase those annuities from people who already have them in place. Typically they offer pennies on the dollar. People are receiving their checks monthly or quarterly, and they see these advertisements and they think, well, maybe I can cash out my annuity. They can, but they do it for pennies on a dollar. So these companies that purchase these annuities from people do so at great financial profit, and in my opinion, largely to the detriment of the people that had the annuity and have suffered injuries and need those funds.
So if someone hears one of these ads and they're interested, who should they talk to about it?
They can go to two sources. If they work with a lawyer and a lawyer helped them set up the annuity, they can go there. But ultimately, even the lawyer is going to have to contact the life insurance company that is paying the proceeds to the claimant. That life insurance company is going to know day to day, month to month, how much money is in the annuity as of that time, or how much it's going to be worth. You can take that amount and compare it against what the company is offering to pay you to buy that annuity to see if it's a good deal or not. More often than not, it's not a good deal.
It may appeal to someone who's had an annuity for 3 to 5 years.
Yeah, we really recommend annuities to clients who don't have any experience in handling money, don't have any experience in investing money. This is a way to put the settlement funds away in with a life insurance company, and they're paid every month. They're guaranteed to get a check. It's an interest rate that's guaranteed. It's not going to be as high as if the market is doing great. But on the other hand, if the market goes down, if the market crashes, you're still getting the same amount. You're guaranteed that amount. And typically it's guaranteed for some period of time, sometimes for the rest of your life. And so it's set up in such a way so that no matter what happens in the market, those people that have been in accidents or been hurt or hurt on the job and have an annuity, they receive those funds and can count on them because they come in every month or every quarter or in lump sums yearly as guaranteed by the life insurance company.
So you make a determination case by case. Say if someone's 13 years old, it may be a different story as opposed to someone who is elderly.
We often recommend them to parents who have children who are involved in a case and they need settlement proceeds for when they go to college. Perhaps their earning capacity has been affected by their injuries. We recommend them. And you're right, they don't always make sense to people who are elderly. We just finished a case not long ago for a substantial sum of money where the gentleman is in his late 60s, early 70s. He's very disciplined financially. He has some experience handling money. He got with a tax lawyer and an accountant and set some things up for his kids. He didn't really need an annuity, but for folks that are going to be living a long time with their injuries and can't waste those funds or gamble with them, if you will, an annuity is a very good way for them to go.
Puts them on a fixed income.
Puts them on a fixed income. The money is guaranteed. They know how much is coming, when it's coming, and there's never any doubt whatsoever, regardless of what happens in the market, whether that money's coming or not.
So again, what are you warning us about regarding these ads that seek to buy people's annuities?
Well, let me just give you an example. The annuity today, if you have an annuity today, it may guarantee that it's going to pay you $100,000 over the life of the annuity. This company may come in and say, we'll pay you $25,000 cash today, and we'll take the annuity from you, and we'll give you $25,000 cash. You know, people go 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and they wish they had more cash to do more things with. Well, when they get the cash, sometimes they don't make the best decisions and those monies are wasted. The company that's purchased the annuity from the person that had the annuity to begin with has now getting those monies that the claimant used to get, and they're going to make a windfall over the life of that annuity. They're going to make a lot more than $25,000. They're going to make $100,000.
And do these ads make people completely aware of what's going on, or is there deception involved in some of them?
You know, I don't want to say there's deception in it, and we haven't been afforded an opportunity to see many of the documents, if any, that these companies offer to folks. But we can always, through the life insurance company, our clients can be made aware of how much money their annuity is worth on any given day. They can compare that against what they're being offered. And I would encourage anybody that's contemplating doing this to find out how much your annuity is worth today and compare it against what they're offering to pay you for that annuity. Sometimes if you look at those two numbers, you can see the disparity and you'll know right off that that's not a good deal.
Thank you, Mark. That clarifies things.
My pleasure.
We'll be back with more Ask a Lawyer.